In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the too many requests error in ChatGPT quickly and safely. This is a really common issue, and it usually means you've hit a rate limit, which is also known as error 429. The good news is, in most cases, you do not need any advanced troubleshooting. A few simple steps can get ChatGPT working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. All right, let's get into it. First, the easiest thing you can do is wait 30 to 60 seconds. When ChatGPT shows too many requests, it often means the service is temporarily blocking repeated requests for a short time. So instead of continuing to refresh nonstop, pause for a moment and then try again. In many cases, that small delay is enough to clear the limit and let you back in. Now, if that doesn't work, the next step is to stop spamming prompts. If you're sending a lot of messages very quickly, ChatGPT can trigger the rate limit faster. Try not to paste multiple prompts at once or send several messages back to back. Instead, use one clear prompt and give the system a little time to respond before sending the next one. This can help reduce the chance of the error coming back. The third step is to refresh and reopen ChatGPT. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary session glitch in your browser, so go ahead and refresh the page first. If that doesn't help, close ChatGPT completely and reopen it again. This can reset the connection and clear out a temporary loading problem that may be causing the error message. If you're using the desktop site, you can also try signing out and signing back in after reopening the page. Another very helpful fix is to change your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. In some cases, your current IP address may be part of the reason the limit is being triggered. Changing networks gives you a new connection, and that can sometimes remove the restriction or at least help ChatGPT load properly again. This is especially useful if the error keeps happening even after waiting and refreshing. If you want the fastest method, I'd recommend trying these steps in order. First, wait a little, then slow down your prompt usage. After that, refresh or reopen ChatGPT. And finally, switch networks if needed. Most people will get back into ChatGPT before they even reach the last step. If you're still seeing the error after all of that, the problem may be temporary on ChatGPT's side, so waiting a little longer can also help. The important thing is not to keep hammering the page with rapid requests, because that can make the issue last longer. So to recap, the fix for too many requests in ChatGPT is simple. Wait 30 to 60 seconds, stop sending prompts too quickly, refresh and reopen the page, and change your network if necessary. These steps solve the issue for most users, without needing any complicated settings. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.